Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Unong yalam kaliang persya jong yang dorbar thawan ke jela Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong, baga Sorkar jela kedai ban Tuklar Lada ke don Kano ke Kynram hapo ke Jaka Sumar Neigrihms, namar bakani ke hospital ke don hapo upur usam jong ke jela Meghalaya. Ya kani Menteri Rangba Barim ke jela ulaong, haka jinge keren bat kilat patai kubor, haka arf kendai terik urisau arjar khat kendai, haka bau ulaong ru bakadai ke Kynram jong ke Sorkar jela bakan Tuklar Lada don kinu ki kam ki balong beain, hapo ke hospital Neigrihms, bat ban pentip sya ke Sorkar pedeng. Shushu ulaong ba ke Sorkar jela kamla, ban shulong tangkum ke nong petkai, namar ba yakani ke hospital la ais ngubha da ke Sorkar pedeng, hagani ke jela Meghalaya, bat ru sya ke thain chatai lamingi, ban syakri ye ke pat ba nong syong snong ki bapang bashutom.
We are proud of this institution. It's a premier institution today, and I feel good when I see lots of patients coming from all over the state and from all over the northeastern region. And in fact, I have made it a point whenever I refer patients or whenever I tell any of my medical professional colleagues, the doctors referring my patients, I always used to advise them, please refer the patients to Neigrihms. Because in our health delivery system, the whole referral centers must be utilized in the right perspective. You have the three-tier referral centers here, primary, secondary and tertiary. So when you are talking about tertiary referral cases, why will you send it to private nursing homes? Why will you? And referring patients to private nursing homes in the event of a tertiary referral cases will make health care more and more expensive. It will become unaffordable. I am cautioning everybody. It will become unaffordable. Healthcare delivery system will not be sustainable for the government in the long run if this is not checked on time. And another thing is that the tendency of subjecting the patients to be referred to anywhere, that has to be corrected. And therefore, this institution, Neigrihms, and other medical colleges in the northeastern region become our very important medical institutions. They must be taken care of properly. They must not be subjected to this kind of situation where, they become a subject matter of gossip and discussion, and doubts start emerging out of their real commitment level to fulfill the actual purpose of the medical college. What is the purpose of this medical college? It is not a ground created for them to come and then have their all infighting and wash their dirty linens in public. So therefore, government of the day will have to take cognizance of this issue, take up the matter with government of India, and ensure that corrective measures are done without further delay. Which ultimately is seen as a institution where all those kind of unexpected activities are being talked about to be happening. It should not. So clear it once for all and cleanse the institution once for all. And that's the only time when you will see Neigrihms responding to its true call of duty as an institution, as a medical institution, as a true referral center. It's a center of excellence. So it's a institution where we all should take pride. But the way things are going on, it's not an institution where one can take pride of. One cannot be really saying that, okay, I'm proud of Neigrihms with the kind of affairs that is being reported, with the kinds of affairs that's being heard.